Adrian.
Hey, Fire, wake up! No, Fire, wake up! Fire!
Damn it, Beavis. I was about to score.
It's gone.
What is?
The TV!
Oh yeah. Well, where is it?
I don't know, I woke up and it was gone. Hey, look, the window's broken too. No.
Whoa. I just figured something out, Beavis.
What?
This sucks.
Yeah, it really sucks.
This sucks more than it has to suck now. We must find this butthole that took our TV.
Yeah. I kicked your ass.
Dude, seriously. Behave. Dude, seriously, okay? Was that necessary?